Hey interwebs, real quickly I just want to show you how to get into the console of your Fon router, because everybody else on YouTube has it to where they've already set it up, but they don't show you how to wire anything. So if you're a hacksaw noob, then it's going to be kind of an issue for you. So hopefully this helps somebody. But here I've already opened up my Fon router, and I just want to point out the pins to you. Right here is a transmit, that one's a receive, and then we're going to skip over to the last one, and that one's your ground wire. Now those are the only three we're going to need if you have this adapter right here. Now all I did was I searched on Amazon for TTL USB converter, and I got this for a pretty cheap price. I think the shipping costs more than the actual piece. So you might spend under $15. I can't remember what the price was. But anyway, it shows you the layout of the pins on here. I don't know if you can see them if they're showing up blurry. I don't know if the camera's focusing. There we go. So you can see the ground, receive, and the transmit. And that's all you're going to need if you have this adapter. Now the cable I use is your typical stereo cable for your CD-ROM. What I did instead was I pulled out the cords. You don't pull them out, you don't want to break it. But if you lift up the little tabs here, these little black tabs underneath my fingernail, and then you pull out the wire with the connector still in it, the metal connector, and then you rearrange them to where it conforms to this adapter, and then it's going to connect to the other end on your Fon router. Just switch the cables around and make sure you have your transmit and received on one side. Make sure it's flipped on the other side, otherwise you're not going to get any data communication. And I did that the first time and I wasn't paying attention. So if you're having your transmit go from your adapter, it's going to go to the receive end on your Fon router, and the same thing with the other cable is going to go receive from this end on your Fon router to the transmit on your USB adapter here. And they're going to look a little bit different once you're done. See how my white, red, and black are all right next to each other on this part, and then it goes white, red, skipped, and then black. That's because they're, as I showed you earlier, the way they're wired on the Fon router is different than the way it's set up on the adapter. Once you plug in both ends, plug in the adapter in your computer, wherever your USB port's at. Don't plug it into your Fon router yet. You want to power on your router, connect one end into the Fon router after about 5 seconds have gone by, otherwise it's not going to boot. You have to power it on, count to 5, then plug this end in. And then with your console session already up on your computer, set it to whatever COM channel the USB adapter was assigned to. And then you should start seeing some text in your PuTTY or whatever COM session you have, whatever you're using, hyperterminal. And that should be it. I'm going to post a follow-up video of me actually connecting all this, so stay tuned. Thanks.